For this task you'll need a nice sharp pencil, so you might need a sharpener, and a rubber. Okay, we're going to do a line drawing, so I'm going to open up my title page so it's there, and I'm actually going to work on this side of the page here. And I'm going to do it quite small, probably about palm size, so up here, because we're going to put lots of different drawings on this page. So we're going to work quite small each time, but then put lots of different styles of drawing on the page. Okay, so I'm drawing a bee, and when I start drawing I like to measure out different things. So I'm looking at my bee now and I can see that my wingspan, so between the wing and the other wing, is the same as my body and legs. So I need it to be kind of square-ish, my area. So I'm just going to mark out, and you can see that I'm holding my pencil really high up, and that's because when you hold your pencil really high up, it's really difficult to press hard. So I'm pressing nice and lightly, and like I said, we're doing it fairly small, so I'm actually going to measure. So I'm using the end of my coloured bit there, to about there. Okay, so I've got my marks where the top of my antennae and my legs are going to be, the ends of my wings. So now I'm going to split my bee up into different shapes so that I can get an idea. And again, I'm holding my pencil about halfway up, and that's because I want to make sure that I'm pressing light, and I'm doing lots and lots of lines. Now you've got less control of your pencil when you are doing something like this. So you can see that my lines are really quite messy, but I'm not too bothered about it now. I'm just trying to get the shape of the bee in. So when I look at the bee, it's got a tiny weeny head, and then it's sort of got three middle bits of the body, and then the wings are coming off here, and I'm just using sausage shapes or circular shapes at this point. And then I've got my legs. So with the legs, I like to draw kind of sticks, I suppose, to get an idea for where they should be. And this is all about just getting the scale right. So all I'm trying to do here is get the scale correct. Alright, I think there needs to be more of an angle on that one. And then the antennae, like that. And then, so this is quite tricky. The legs come out from underneath the wings, so I need to make sure that I'm getting that leg shape right. There and there, and the same on the other side. But can you see how light I'm pressing? So, and that's just so that if I make a mistake like I did up there, then I can rub it out straight away. Okay. Now I think that that bit needs to be a bit bigger, and that bit needs to be a bit bigger. So I'm correcting as I go along. I'm looking at what I have originally drawn and then changing it all the time. Okay, so then my legs come out of that bit there and down like that, and then they curve a bit and go like that. And the same on the other side, that one, that one, that one, that one. Oof, that went a bit wrong. So because I've pressed lightly, it doesn't matter at all that I have to rub things out. Okay, so there I've got the scale and the general shape of my bee.